So you saw the graphic here of the balanced scorecard, I hope. So basically, so I love this balanced scorecard, but these, they have 4 quadrants. Later, I actually want to make 6, FYI. I like the title at the top. I like the likelihood to reaching target component at the bottom. I like these color grids. I need to be able to change these easily myself. I have InDesign, not super scholarly on it, all that sort of thing. Forgive me, my camera's not working. Can't tell you why. Anyway, moving on. So these are the sections. If you replicated this perfectly the way it is, I think it's great. I'll make it work. Okay. However, on phase 2, it'd be great for the financial section to actually have these values here. Okay. Notice I put in the amount, like these would be days, but this, I could have this much. I could end up doing 2,000, whatever, 2 million or whatever. I think you should see if we can have this many digits in the value space just to make it work. So that means I know the squares will be much wider. Okay. The next section is admissions and enrollment. And the last one is advancement. Okay. Aesthetically, I bet it should be capitalized just like this. So if in doubt, keep it like this as far as format goes, except for the euro. Okay. Now on this section, I completely recognize that we may not want to, this might make it too big. And I'm okay if you want to try to truncate that. So we just have, so really the applicant would go down here and this would all be gone. And we'd have the data and the acceptance and the enroll. I mean, you get my point. We wouldn't break it out by category. These categories are schools, by the way. But the point is admissions, inquiries, applications, acceptance, enrolled. Whether you include the school breakouts is up to you, okay? Moving on to advancement, unrestricted giving. These are the 3 categories. Restricted giving. These are categories. This could be whatever, 2 million, excuse me. This could be up to, 1,250,000 or something like that. All that sort of thing, okay, as far as size goes. And I think that's it. You'll notice that means on the 4th one would be blank. And I know these will be somewhat longer, okay? Hope that makes sense. And thank you.